Hello everyone, I'm Chef Ruhi Bhimani, and if just like me you're baking goodies for your friends and family, then I have a perfect recipe for you. Today in my kitchen we will be making sablé cookies. For this cookie you need a good quality parchment paper. So here I have KitchenAid parchment paper and brown paper with me. Guys, let's get started. So for the ingredients you need half a cup maida, 3 tablespoons of sifted icing sugar, 1/4 cup of salted butter, pinch salt, pinch baking powder, half a teaspoon vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of milk. So in a mixing bowl, you'll cream together butter and icing sugar. Once this mixture looks pale and fluffy, I will add vanilla essence. Now I'm going to add in all the dry ingredients. So first goes in maida, salt, and pinch baking powder. Now I'm going to mix this roughly with the help of a spatula. We will now add in milk. So let us get this all together and make a dough. You see how beautiful this looks, and the texture is amazing. So the dough is ready. I'm just going to cling wrap it and put it in the chiller for 1 hour. So for rolling the cookie dough, you need good quality parchment paper. Here I have KitchenAid with me. The best thing about this is that it is non-stick, which means I don't have to apply any kind of grease to roll the cookie. Also what I can do is I can just sandwich the cookie dough between 2 parchment papers and I can roll it out, which also means I don't have to add additional flour to this, so my cookies don't go dry. And you know what? I can use it up to 5 times. So guys, let me show you how it's done. So I'm going to place the cookie dough right here. Place the parchment paper on top. And with the help of a rolling pin, I'm just going to flatten it. So I've sandwiched the cookie dough here. Now with the help of the cookie cutter, we're going to cut it. So guys, it's now time to bake the cookies. Ensure you preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, I have my baking tray right here and I'm going to take brown paper by KitchenAid. The best thing about this is that it is chlorine free, and I really like to work with this brown paper because it is unbleached and it gives amazing finish to your baked goodies. We will now place the cookies, and I can't wait to bake them. Let's bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. So here we have very cute cookie pouches. You'd like to learn how to make them? Let me show you. You need a brown wrapping paper. Fold the sides. Do a center fold. Apply glue and just stick it together. So this is what I have done. It is very quick and simple to make. What you can also do is you can cut it into different shapes of your choice. So here are the 2 options that I have made for you. Next, I plan to drizzle some chocolate over the cookies. So here I have the parchment paper cut into a triangle and I'm going to make a cone out of it. Go ahead, give these cookies a try, tag me at Chef Ruhi Bhimani, tag KitchenAid, and we'll be very happy to see how these amazing cookies have turned out for you. Until then, keep baking. And I'm going to dive into these.